I have no idea why you guys are doing this. Yeah, you can show me your search warrant before you go through my house.
You're the occupier or tenant?
Yeah, I own this house.
There it is. No, it's a search warrant.
Search warrant for what?
Now, what I will explain to you is if you want to listen, you got your phone going.
Yeah, I do, yeah.
Right. Now, you're under arrest in relation to incitement.
Incitement?
Yeah. What's that? Now, you're not obliged to say or do anything, but anything you say or do may be given evidence.
Excuse me, incitement for what? What on earth? Yeah. Excuse me, what on earth?
So just put your phone down.
Can you record this? I'm in my pajamas.
What's this?
I have an ultrasound in an hour because
Yeah,
I'm
she's pregnant, so...
I'll take it easy.
What's this about?
But I have an ultrasound
just let me finish.
in an hour.
Let me finish and I'll explain. It's in relation to a Facebook post, in relation to a lockdown protest you put on for Saturday.
Yeah, and I wasn't breaking any laws by doing that.
You are actually. You are breaking the law. That's why I'm arresting you in relation to incitement.
How can you arrest her? That's...
In front of my 2 children.
Can't you just say to her, take the post down? Like, come on.
I'm happy to delete the post. This is ridiculous.
Right.
Yeah.
But I have to give you these caution and rights. You understand?
Yeah, that's fine. Like, I'm happy to delete the post. This is ridiculous. Like, this is in front of my... That's fine.
Maybe giving evidence. You understand that?
Yeah, that's fine. But my 2 kids are here. I have an ultrasound in an hour. Like, I'm happy to delete the post.
You also have the right to communicate with or to communicate with a legal practitioner. You understand those rights?
Yeah, this is ridiculous.
Yeah, this is a bit unfair. Come on, mate.
No,
what about she just doesn't do the event? Like, it's not like she's done it.
Well,
she made a post.
Already committed the offence. So I'm not going to.
So that's an offence.
Now, the search warrant entitles us, and we're required to seize any computers, any mobile devices you have.
What on earth?
Yeah. Can I just get your badge there, mate?
It's all there.
This is a lot of stress on her too. She's pregnant, like, come on. I'm relaxed. This is just very unfair.
What we're going to do, I'll find out what we're going to do. We seize any computers and all tablets. Just let me finish. Any mobile telephone you've got, okay? So what we want is any mobile telephone you've got.
You don't need that.
Sister's phone. It's not
yeah,
my
it's
name.
her sister. So.
Doesn't matter. Any device in this house we're taking.
This is ridiculous.
You're not taking my phone.
I'm taking any device, mate.
That's my phone. It's nothing to do with her. It's my phone.